my brothers and sisters, a powerful example I want to give you right now. It makes me shiver when I think, my brothers and sisters, do you know the population of the globe at the moment is more than it ever was before? Do you agree? And the population of Muslims on earth who make sujood for Allah is more than it ever was from the beginning of humanity to this day. I promise you, don't lose hope in the mercy of Allah. The deen of Allah is solid, it is strong. Yes, we do have problems. We will manage them by the help of Allah. We do have crises. Do not be despondent. We do have splits. We do have disunity, but by the help of Allah, if we keep on reminding people of our duties unto one another, to speak with each other with respect, to be able to react correctly when things go wrong, when things don't go the way we'd like them to go, then we will definitely be serving the deen. There is a lot to hope for. Look at this masjid, my brothers and sisters. I want to let you know, the masjid is packed to capacity. Isn't that a sign that we are connected to Allah? Why lose hope? This is the house of Allah. We are about to put our heads on the ground for Allah. I'm going to put my head on the ground, inshallah, for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not once, but so many times. Whereas those magicians at the time of the Prophet Musa alayhi salam, they were evil people. But when they turned to the deen and when they made one prostration, not two, not five, one prostration for Allah, Allah says we wiped out all their sins, granted them Jannah in return. If one prostration could wipe out everything they did, my brothers and sisters, I've made thousands of prostrations. May Allah accept at least one. So have you. So have all of us. Smile, there is hope. Allah is Rabbun Ghafoor. Allah is most merciful. Allah is the most forgiving, the most beneficent. Let's learn not to react in a negative way to anything that happens to us.